Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashnam. Today we'll be unboxing the Boxy Charm Luxe box. This month's theme is Lucky for St. Patrick's Day. The first item that we have is this Barbarella eyeshadow palette by Be Beauty London. Retailing for $50, this palette has 20 colors from neutrals to pops of colors. These shadows are highly pigmented with silky and velvety finishes. I really like this palette because of its variety in colors and textures. The second item is this Daily Rescue facial spray from Tower 28. For $28, this treatment spray is safe for all skin types. The next item is the Uncaged eyeshadow primer from Pretty Vulgar. For $22, this primer has a blendable and lightweight formula that makes your eyeshadows last longer. Retailing for $49, we have the Be Flat Belly Firming Cream by Melis Cosmetics. This cream reduces the look of stretch marks to give your stomach a smoother, tighter, and firmer looking belly. Next, we have the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner from Dominique Cosmetics. Retailing for $18, this lip liner is infused with vitamin E to boost circulation and smooth fine lines. Personally, I love the color of this liner and how it looks on my lips. The next item in our box is the Blending Egg Beauty Sponges from Beauty Bakery. Retailing for $18, we get 6 makeup sponges, which come in this cute egg carton packaging. The fifth item that we have is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum by Glow Recipe. This serum is supposed to hydrate and plump your skin. The retail price for this item is $42. The final item in our Luxe box is the Mini Heat Brush from Soleil Hair Tools. This mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling. This brush is safe for all hair types and is originally priced at $150. That's all that came in the March Luxe box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye-bye!